Welcome back if you have seen my other video about the triple screen setup with the Alienware AW3225QF. And to get it short, it did not work for me. So I was thinking maybe I can try it with the HDMI, because if you connect the display with the HDMI cable, you get an additional menu point called console. And then you can switch it to console mode on or legacy mode, and that should force the monitor to go back to 120 Hz. So I spent another $100 for 3 Displayport to HDMI cable with a specification 4K 144 Hz, and with this setup I could get all 3 displays working. So why don't I sound more pleased? Well, for me, just did not work all the time. Sometimes the monitor wouldn't connect and I had to switch to console mode via the settings and hope that it would work afterwards. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't, and that's not good enough for me, so I'm replacing the 3 with cheap 4400p and hoping for a firmware update or better graphic cards in the future. Take that into consideration if you want to buy 3 AW3225QF. Maybe you have more luck with the Displayport to HDMI cable, or Dell has already released a firmware update. Oh, and leave me a comment if you got it to work and how you did it. I'm really interested about it.